Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, which of the following is the correct order of the pH bases from weaker to stronger? Bleach 11, baking soda, and plot 77, lye 14, bleach 11, baking soda 9, blood 7, blood 7.4, lye 14, baking soda 9, bleach 11, blood 7.4, baking soda, bleach 11, lye 14. And answer the question the correct out of the pH base from the weakest strongest is blood 7.4, baking soda 9, bleach 11, lye 14. In this order, blood has pH approximately 74, baking soda has pH of around 9, bleach has a pH around 11, and the lye has the highest pH 14. pH value below 7 are considered acidic, while the pH above 7 are considered basic. Therefore, the pH of base increases as the numerical value of pH increases. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.